let me just go ahead and transition for real this time. Usually I don't keep my hair natural. I usually end up putting a relaxer on my hair, but this time I am determined to keep my curls and wear my hair natural and be comfortable with myself. Just self-care, self-love. I talk about that often, so I want to be a representative of that.
Hello, motherfucker.
Thanks for joining. We'll be discussing fitness, fashion, and ways to focus on greatness. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. If you are new, please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. So I recently did the big chop. Well, my hair wasn't that long, but I recently had like a pixie cut for a relaxer. I cut all the relaxer off my hair and trying to wear my hair natural. I will say it was a kind of a big transition for me because over the last couple of years I had let my hair grow out and I was having some treatments and which damaged my hair. It was feeling like steel wool, like brittle, and so I had to cut my hair short and I was wearing like a little pixie cut or ponytails. But I know that ponytails or even crochet braids can be damaging if you're constantly wearing them in your hair. So I said, well, you know, let me just go ahead and transition for real this time. Usually I don't keep my hair natural. I usually end up putting a relaxer on my hair, but this time I am determined to keep my curls and wear my hair natural and be comfortable with myself. Just self-care, self-love. I talk about that often, so I want to be a representative of that. So today I just want to show you guys what I use in my hair and how I've been doing my hair. I've been doing like a little part because I think it looks just a little more feminine. And this is my curl pattern. I don't know about 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or D. I really don't I don't really know about any of that, but you guys can tell if your hair is similar to mine or whatever. I don't have any chemicals on my hair, and what I've been doing, what has been working for me the last couple of weeks is I wash my hair, deep condition once a week. I leave the conditioner on at least 30 minutes just to deep condition. Oh, I do have a cellophane on my hair, black cellophane. So it's like a rinse. Those of you that are 40 and older, you know what a cellophane is, but it's like a black rinse. I do have a rinse on my hair. I did not want to color my hair, which I do like natural black or jet black. I didn't want to dye my hair because when I'm trying to wear my natural hair and not dye my hair, it becomes really straight. So I didn't want to harm my curl pattern at all, so I didn't dye my hair. Anyway, I do shampoo, conditioner, rinse that out. I usually shampoo it while I'm in the shower, leave the conditioner on it, then go rinse it out. And the first thing I use is this Elastic QP leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever brand you want. I'm not getting paid or anything. I'm trying to yeah, so that was $6.99 at the beauty supply. I use this once a week. I've been shampooing and conditioning my hair on Sundays and doing everything, and then I don't have to really add any products until maybe Thursday. Then I add a little of this. And I don't pick my hair all the way out, but I just pick it just to give it a little length so it doesn't look as much with shrinkage. And my hair is about that long and it's curled up. So I use this leave-in conditioner, like I said. I then use the Murray's Beeswax Honey Whip Curl Reconstructor. This was $5.99 at the local beauty supply. So I use this next. I usually just get about a pound, about 2/4 size. I use that much. Distribute it all through my hair evenly. And I use the Murray's cream beeswax. Now this is not actual beeswax. This is cream beeswax, and it's a cream consistency. So it's not hard or like beeswax that you use for locks. It's like a creamy consistency. These are the products that work best with my hair texture. I'm not saying they're the best products on the market. I saw a lot of products. I haven't used a lot because they are very expensive, and I didn't know what would work and what wouldn't work. I did use a couple of things that didn't work for my hair, that weren't that costly. And this is $4.99. I've used this and the curl enhancer like 3 times, and so yeah, I haven't had to use that much. Like I said, I only use it once a week, distribute product in my hair, so I don't have to put product every day in my hair. And then what I do is part my hair in thin parts, and then I do use the argan oil gel, the Ampro argan oil gel. You can use whatever gel that you like, but this gel works for me. It gives a good curl. It doesn't get hard, and there's no residue. It doesn't turn white or anything like that. So I part my hair, then just finger comb each curl. Some people use a Denman brush. I found that I haven't had to, but I use this and distribute it each line by line. And so what you need to do, not to have the lines, and I didn't bring it over here with me, I think I left it in the car, but I have a large tooth comb, or you can use a pick and just lift your hair up just a little bit once it dries. Don't pick all the way through. And what I found, so I would not have a lot of so it wouldn't be residue left in there or be frizzy, is I always dry my hair. I don't air dry it. I dry my hair with the blow dryer and diffuser so that it can be dry. It doesn't take long, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. And I'll show you guys once again my hair. I think I still have some perm on a couple of places, but I'll, eventually cut it off as well. So as you can see, that's a little straight. I'll cut it off. And like I said, I do it on the edge control. Use whatever kind that you want. I will insert the link for the edge control that I use down below, and you can make whatever little patterns you want. I think that just makes it a little more feminine for me. I use a product by a Facebook friend of mine. Her name is Dana, and I will insert the link below. It's not super hard. I can comb it right up. It doesn't get white at all during the day. It still keeps my hair very soft, but it holds, if that makes sense. And it's not too greasy. I've used some that grease is just like running down my face, or it's super hard where I have to wet it to comb it. I don't have that problem at all. Even the edge control, I think I may do it like every other day or so, and that's only because if I don't tie a wrap down, and I don't tie it down at night because then the back is flat. So I don't use a bonnet. I know that's probably bad. I don't use a bonnet. I don't use anything. Just go to sleep. Pick my hair out a little bit like that. All on the sides and the back. The top is still fine. And I only have to use the products maybe once a week. It's very carefree, easygoing, and I'm loving it so far. Let me know if you guys have made the big chop. What do you use for protective styles? How often do you use protective styles? And let's chat about it. Thanks for watching.